Hello everyone, welcome back to MuleSoft-TechZone. This is your Shravan Lingam and this is in continuation of our Become an Agentblazer Innovator series. So we are in our Superbadge challenge and this is the second, so you need to log in. So I haven't logged in here. Let me quickly log in. So I have completed all these steps and we have completed challenge 1. All right. So I am directly jumping into the challenge 2, that is like build an AI generated summary of the related records. So create a prompt template to summarize any number of related records and populate the summary in a custom field. So for that you have here, so build a AI generated summary related records. So from here until here, these are the instructions for challenge 2, and again I'm iterating again, like the instructions will not be like very precise like we had like for our previous challenges. You need to understand the business requirement and you need to work accordingly. So let's go to the playground again. So you need to launch it. Let me launch it. So I am here currently. So the next thing that you need to do is read the requirements, quickly check like what they are asking us to do. So the marketing team wants to use AI to create personalized profile insights for their clients based upon client surveys. Over the time, clients may have several different interests or concerns. Each survey submissions creates a new fitness record in the Salesforce that we have seen related to the client's contact record. Each client can have several related fitness records. Rather than reviewing each related record, wellness coaches want to see the summarized field. Okay, so basically instead of like checking for each record, the input, they wanted to have like review the summary of all fitness submissions a client has provided right on the contact record page. Your strategy is to create a custom rich field text on the contact record. This is our first step. Okay, so let's go to the here and let's go to object manager and go to contact, not contract. That is very important. Here it is contact, and they are asking to create a custom rich field text on the contact record. Okay, so go to fields and relationships. Again, as I said, like you won't have, so if you are new to Salesforce, you need to understand more about how to create fields and all, but that's the reason I'm helping out you to do this, but you need to understand the business requirement. All right, so fields and relationships. For the contact, here we are adding a new field, so click on new. And what did they ask us to create? So custom rich text field. So go here, so text area rich, choose this option, go next, and field label will be like interest summary. So API name will be like automatically like interest underscore summary. So okay, use any description. I'm ignoring that part. I'm not adding any description. I'll just click on next, and save. So we are done here. Okay, this step is done. The next step is create a new prompt template called summarize client goals that will generate text for the new summary field with the description text reflecting the purpose of the template. So you all know like how to create a template, prompt template. So go to quick find, search for prompt. So sorry, go to setup, move to the left side here, the tab, quick find, search for like prompt builder here, click on prompt builder and make sure your Einstein is enable, Einstein setup, there will be like here. So make sure these are all enabled. So I'm going back to prompt builder, click on prompt builder and click on new prompt template. Now for the template type, you can use field generation. That's based upon the use case. We will be choosing like which kind of template you wanted to use. So I am using the type as that, and enter the prompt template name. Summarize client goals will be my this thing, and this would be like contact. So the object would be like contact. Object field will be like probably like the field that we have added. What is the field that we have added? Interest summary. So go here and search for interest summary. That's it. Go next. So you are in this prompt builder prompt area, you all know. Again, please don't forget to use the turbo ones, because that is for the rich text field. You need like more than 255 characters. So I'm using like turbo version of it. So where is turbo? This one. Okay, so make sure you are selecting the model, that is very important. Then tip, so they're asking to create a new template with a description. So just copy this, and they're asking like you need to replace this fields with the actual value. So I'm going here, placing it here. So related list is what they are asking, related list of all fitness records. So for that, what you can do is like click on this, go to contact and go to like fitness. This will give all the list of fitness records. So the same thing will appear over here. So insert resource, contact, fitness, and then contact first name. So you can remove this, click on this contact and click on first name. That's it. So what you can do is like you can just save this prompt template, again read the entire business requirement. For now I am doing this, and click on preview to test it. So related record, they are asking us to search for, let's search Robert, yeah, this guy here, and click on preview. So you will have resolved prompt and the generated response. Okay, so result prompt: you are a wellness coach for the company Tranquil Trails who wants to see quick summary of the client's fitness interests. You can see they're like different fitness interests. You can see 900 fitness, and there is another like 905. So there are different interests with different languages. Okay, and see how it has generated, in a very nice way. Like Robinette has shared their fitness interests and goals. Here is his summary. Fitness goal is to tone up. Interest level is high. Interest type is this. Frequency is daily, and how many hours he wants to sleep, and stress level. So this is very cool. So you have tested this, and the next thing is to activate. All right. So now that we have activated this, the next step that we need to do is go back to prompt builder here and go to contacts. So let me see if I have contacts here. Yeah, contacts, and let's go to the Robert case here. So where is our Robert? If you don't find him, okay, yeah, here he is. Okay, click on this Robert's contact. The next thing you need to do is you know that like we have added this prompt template, isn't it? So what you need to do is give me one quick second. You need to go to dynamic form. So you can edit the page here. This is how you can edit the page, and you will get a pop-up. Just close it. And before that, what you need to do is once you open the edit page, you have to go to like record detail. Where is record detail? Here, I'm just checking. This is, yeah, there is something like dynamic action. Okay, so you need to click on this pane for the first one here. So once you click that, you will get this pop-up like highlights panel and all. And the next thing that you need to do is make sure, I'm just checking like if I'm like on the right page. So it should be somewhere in the record detail page. So give me 1 second. Record detail page. Page related list. Yeah, here it is. So click on this. This is the details of the record. All right. So what you need to do is like click on the upgrade here. Okay. So once you click on update here, you will see this pop up. So just go to next, and select the contact layout here, finish. All right, so once you have done, once you are finished, what you can do is in the description, I think you will get one field called description information. Where is that? Yeah, interest summary. Can you see here? Now the interest summary field has been populated. So all that you need to do is, for this particular interest summary field, you need to select our prompt template that we have created, like summarize client goals here. So once it is done, what you can do is you can just uh, so make sure, I'm just making sure if everything is right, so just select that one and then click on save. So once this is saved, you can click on like activation, then go to app record type, this one. Give me 1 second. My system is a bit slow and got stuck. Yeah, so I think we are good. Just close it and go back to the prompt builder, and now you should be seeing the interest summary field over here. And in this interest summary field, you can just edit, you can see this icon, just click on that. Okay, and that will like open the pop-up here. You can see like it is like making the request for you. It should pop up, need helping with this the tool use generated. So let me close this again, go to the interest summary field. Where is that? Yeah, so this is interest summary. Just click on this icon now. So you have requested for that, like need, it is analyzing the request now. You can see here you got this for the interest summary of that particular contact, Robert. So then click on like use it, and you can see it was added. So this is super cool, like it is like analyzing the interest summary and all. So once you go there and minimize it, just click on save. We are done. So what we have done, I took some time because I was like the view was changed, but what you need to do is like once you have created like the prompt builder, you have used it, go to like description information in the interest summary, click on that icon, then click on this icon. That will generate the, it will analyze the request and it will generate, and click on use it and then save it. We are done. So let's go back to the challenge and see, like you can click the check challenge. All that we have done is we have added a new field in the contact information called interest summary. Then we created a new template called summarize interest request. Oh, it's saying we can't find prompt template called summarize client goals, or it is not configured, include have a description. So you can see like it is looking for the API name, something like this. Let me quickly check if I have done something wrong. So what I can do is I can go to setup. All right, go to like prompt builder here. Okay, so with the prompt builder, it is active. Let me go to the this thing. Not sure if I have created a name for this over you, API name. So let me use the name like this. No, this is correct. That summarize goal, what it was asking for this. So summarize client goals, prompt templates configured with the wrong template. That can be changed of the, we can't find a prompt template called summarize client goals, or it's configured according to order, including the description and some the API name summarize client goals. So I think the summarize client goals. So let me copy this. let me search if the name is correct. It is correct. So description, I think I need to add the description. It is used to summarize the client goals. I think probably that might be an issue, so I'll just, I think its settings are saved. Save as new version, you can just use it, activate. Then now let's try to check it. Once this is activated, yes, it is activated. Let's check the challenge. If that is the case, that's the reason I am saying like we need to follow the instructions very carefully. We will see. I will go back to the instructions here. What it was asking here us to do is create a new prompt template with this, that will generate this one with description text reflecting the purpose of the template. Okay, so I think it is specially asking us to do that. Yes, that's the reason it was failing. So now our challenge was completed successfully. So we missed the description part, but again, don't worry, you can edit that. You cannot edit the API name, but you can edit the description. So that is the reason it was failing. But now it's good that we got that error, so that like you know how you will. So basically whenever the challenge is failing, it will show us like what went wrong. All right, so this is super fun. So in our next challenge, the last challenge for this Superbadge unit is create a prompt template for engagement email. We will see you in the next video. See you.